Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin an element to screen on Wix. So let's get started. So for this one, you just need to head over to Wix website editor and then just locate the element that you want to pin. So for me, what I want to pin is actually a button that can help me go down easily on my website. So let's just look for that. So once you have scrolled down, you can see this one. So it totally depends on you what element you want to use. But for me, I'll just choose this vector art right here. So what I can do is I can actually just click on this one and then just right click. And then once I have done that, I should be able to scroll down and you can see in here the pin to screen. So just click on this pin to screen right here. So as you can see, it has been pinned to my screen. And once I have done that, as you can see, it will be able to show in here. But as you can see, only the arrow button has been able to be pinned. So we don't want that. So you need to be specific on what you want to pin on your website. So let me undo this change and let me just enter and just choose this tool right here. Once I have done that, I can just head over and do the same thing and make sure that this shows to all my pages. And once I have done that as well, I can actually scroll down and just pin this right here to my screen. So let's click on the spin to screen. And as you can see, it will now look better than before. So once you head over to your every screen, as you can see, it has been pinned. You can also see this pin icon right here. And as you can see, it has been pinned as well. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to pin an element to a screen on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!